Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Cat scared of hacky sack?
Let's find out. Oh, kitty, I love you so much, beautiful cat. You're so perfect.
I ever told you how beautiful you are? Run, fatso, run! Run! Oh, someone's tired.
Can I help you? My God.
And you be on some hot nigga. Like I told Tish, I see when I shot nigga.
Every time I come, a nigga gotta set it, then I gotta go, and then I gotta get it, then I gotta blow, and then I gotta shut it. Any little thing a nigga think that he be doing, cause it doesn't matter.
That specialize in rescuing young girls from pimps and prostitution. Many of them are looking for young.
I will look for you. I will find you. And I will kill you.
Can you imagine if your arm was to fall out of there? Oh my gosh. No, 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 no. I got it.
I'm so sleepy. I'm just gonna take a little cat nap. Let's get that out of here. Take a little cat nap and I say get that shit out of here!